Ready, buddy?
Oh yeah. Last day of rifle here.
Last day of rifle, PA. No, his house. No, you want me to turn the light off?
Yeah, you can. We're gonna set the shanty in the back of the property here. A little too cold to go freeze in the middle of the woods right now.
More like neither of us care enough.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Nice moon might bring us some action tonight.
Yeah, moon is really bright. We'll see you guys in the shanty here in a little bit. Meantime, enjoy Frosty.
Water, buddy.
Nice shot. She ain't going nowhere. Give me some, buddy. Nice shot. I could have got on her a little tight better, but this branch was in my way. I didn't realize you had that good of a shot on her. Well, one deer's moving.
Let's go. Oh, something must have kicked her up out of here.
Must have. Nice job, pal. Well, we'll go down and take care of her, I guess. Maybe come back up and see if we can get another one. Probably like this now. Oh yeah, big old doe.
Big old doe.
Not button black stuff. But we like to see. Yeah, she's done, buddy.
Holy hell.
Nice job. Nice shooting. Big old doe, dude. I was waiting to walk up and do a stud buck.
Wow. That's a nanny.
Since we got people showing up, oh yeah, big old milk mama.
That's a nanny for sure.
Good size.
I don't even know where she.
Well, how's it going, guys? Just got into the woods here. It's like 3 o'clock. Took me way longer to walk up here than I thought it was, but got like 2 hours of daylight left, maybe a little bit more. And had some bucks cruising this ridge top. It's hard to tell, but there's a little bench right over the lip of this ridge, and I'm probably not going to see the bottom of their legs, I don't think, but I definitely think I'll be able to, I wish I was a little bit higher in the tree, but I still think I'll definitely be able to see vitals, see rack, obviously, and, but wish us luck. Noah's dropping more deer as we speak. I think he might be tagged out now, where at least where he was hunting at today. But stay tuned. Hopefully I can fill my buck tag tonight. Probably won't try to shoot any does, but I'm hoping to fill my buck tag. just figured I'd peek over real quick to see. I could hear deer moving. I was gonna just try to take a chance on that. Didn't think it was gonna work, didn't see anything. But you don't know unless you try, I guess. Walking back up, some deer just ran up from behind me here through this field. So we're gonna dip down, try to stay below the field. I'm gonna pop up and see if there's more deer up here. I could hear a lot of deer working up to my left pretty much all night long, just out of sight. Well, not all night long, but a good portion of like the last 40 minutes. And but I only seen that one buck, which ended up coming back down and around me. So I'm wondering if there might be more deer up here, but we're gonna go down around, get on top of this knoll, and crawl out, check this field. If there's nothing up in here, and we're gonna go down to where I bumped them deer. I bumped a group of deer when I was coming in. Only got like 15-20 minutes of daylight, so I gotta cover a lot of ground here actually to make this happen, so wish me luck. I'm not sure how much this will be on film besides on the Tacticam, so wish me luck. A couple days ago when we were here, we did that vlog over there. Right up over this hill, Nick and I crawled up. There's 2 deer there, and basically exact same situations how Nick killed his buck. Like, I don't know, a week and a half ago, so I'm gonna try the same thing here the last little bit of daylight with the 2024 PA rifle season in play. It's unlikely, but you never know. I don't know, oh come on, stupid thing. Alright, I don't know how good of a shot I made. I was shooting off my leg, I felt pretty steady. There was one buck, dude, I go up there, there's like 8 deer. I had one little buck off to my left, dude, he just watched me like a little spike. But I couldn't shoot for the longest time because there's a barn over there, and they're working their way from his fields into the corner where we can shoot. And it's getting right out daylight, and as soon as he was into the corner, and I wasn't shooting anywhere near that barn, I waited for him, he turned broadside, I put it right in front of his shoulder, and he buckled up. And he didn't look like he was moving real quick. I almost tried to put another shell in, but I didn't. So, I really don't know how good or how bad of a shot it was. It's kind of hard to tell. I'm gonna creep up to this wood line though, and kind of see what happens. Wish me luck.
So sadly, sexta ended this way, but after looking for blood and not really finding much of anything, just like some little spots of blood, I called Nick. We decided to come back the following morning at first light and do a little bit investigating ourselves. And after following blood for about 60 to 80 yards and coming up with nothing, we grid searched for about 2.5 hours, 3 hours, where we could get onto the property at, and didn't really have much luck. So sadly, things didn't go my way on this one, but sometimes I guess that's the way it goes. So thanks for following along, guys.